So, hey family, it's your girl Jay. Welcome back to Jay So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we doing some upcycling over here and we did some sewing. So if you want to see what I worked on, since it's what I worked on Wednesday, I'm understanding as far as the YouTube thing goes, it's what I worked on Wednesday. Okay, so with that said, stay tuned if you want to see what I worked on. Okay, or what I'm doing. All right, see y'all over there. All right, so welcome back to the channel, and I want to say first of all to all our new subscribers. We growing over here, y'all. We growing over here. I am so excited. We have surpassed 500, and I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it, and it's all because of y'all sharing, YouTube sharing. So thank you, YouTube. Thank you, subscribers. And just coming on board. I really appreciate y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be here. You know, that's all I got to say about that. So what have I worked on? I'm not going to hold you long because, yes, your girl is still working on the blue jean dress. But she has gotten further than she was. Okay. So here is the top of it. Here it is. Let's see if I can step back and show y'all where it is about now. And I'll try to find another picture and put it in there and show you where I started at. Okay, but that's where we are now. And it's going to be so cute, y'all. It's going to be so cute. And to realize that it is flare. It is going to flare. So let me see if I can button it without sticking myself because I got pins in here. Hold on. Let's button her up and get her on. Okay, so should be right about here. I don't think I got her buttoned up right, but anyway, let me come a little closer. Well, let me step back here first. Okay, so this is what she looking like. All right, y'all, this is what she looking like. This is what she looking like. Yeah, so let me turn y'all around the long way. Okay, so y'all can see. All right, this is what she's looking like so far. She is going to flare out and she is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let me turn y'all around so y'all can see her again. I don't know if she buttoned up right, but that's how she gonna be looking in the back. And I gotta start adding back here. Okay, and yeah, so that's where we are with the blue jean dress. As you can see, I still got some pins right here, so I'm going to be sewing on that today and getting those patches put on, and I've got some more patches cut up. So you know, this is a process. This is definitely a process. And so for the sewing project, well, this is sewing and upcycle, okay, because this is from all jeans that I had. Some jeans from the upcycle that I did for my sister. Thank you guys for all the love on that video. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all came through for your girl. It has over 500 views. So, yeah. But then here is the bag. Y'all, I am getting her done. It took me a minute, okay? It took me a minute, y'all. She got her pockets. She got her side pockets. She got the inside. Okay, we got to put the bottom, and she got pockets in there. I don't know if y'all can really tell. She got pockets in there, but now, you know, this is how she looking. She looking good, y'all. She looking good for the first time. So, you know, pockets and everything on all around, every side. I'm excited. Can y'all tell I'm excited? But yes, she got her pockets on here. So now all I got to do is put on the top band, put in the bottom so that it'll be stable on the bottom, and then put the straps on. And I'll be done with this. So that is another project that I'm working on. So I'm working on 3 projects, y'all. And the next one is, this is a new project. I'm going to share it with you guys. I think I might have shared it in part of the video, another video. Okay, so this, let me bring Dinah over here so y'all can see her. Okay, this is another upcycle. All right, I think I did share her with y'all in the video I'm going to add another video in there. And then I shared that I had this pink fabric, and you'll see it in another part of the video, I think I put it in there. But this pink is going to be cut, and it's going to go around the sleeves. Sleeve. The bottom of the shirt. Okay, so I tried it on, and it looks so cute, y'all. It looks so cute. So cute. So that is what your girl is working on. I can't wait to get her done. I'm going to cut her sleeves off, and they're going to become pockets. Okay, who don't love a good pocket? So we're going to have a pocket here. We're going to have a pocket here. All right, because these are the sleeves, and they got to come off. All right. Yeah, I could do something like, tie. But we ain't finna, we're not finna do that, because I don't, when I tried it on, y'all, it was too cute. It was too cute. So, I have a white tee that goes up under there. Here go the back. I gotta cut these two sleeves off and, connect this. So I gotta make it a little bit tighter, because right now it's a little bit big. The way I had it set up, I don't know if y'all can see what I'm trying to show you, because I'm trying to pin the back on here. Hold on. I think I showed y'all in another part of the video as well. So, yeah. And I'm thinking about putting the pink across the back too. I don't know. To bring it all in. Yeah. I'm going to bring that in. I'm going to leave that collar up and sort of attach it like, like that in the back. And then cut this off and have two pockets back there as well, even though I probably won't be using it. This is a Calvin Klein shirt. I got it at Goodwill, and I thrifted as well. So that's what your girl is working on this week, hoping to get the upcycle of the shirts done. Okay. This will not be done. But I hope to get the bag done this week, by the end of this week, so I can show y'all the final bag. And then the blue shirt, y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I don't like the blue shirt, so I'm going to revamp it. Let me show it to y'all one more time. I got it thrown away over here in the stash pile, y'all, because I don't like her. Not that I didn't do an okay job with her. I don't know, it just makes it's grandma-ish to me. And I need to revamp it and kind of like, I mean, yeah, it's a lot of fabric. Yeah. It's a lot. Okay, and then I did want to share with you guys what I found at the Dollar Tree. In case you are looking for a couple of things, I found these, y'all. Okay, pegboard hooks. Okay, and I have already utilized them on my own pegboard. Like right here, I have some individual threads up here. And I'll try to zoom that in so y'all can see it. Right here, and then I have these left, and it comes 6 in a pack. Okay, you get 6 in a pack, and for $1.25, I found some foam mounting tape, because my plan is sometimes, when you're sewing and you have your pattern instructions that you need to look at. And I need to pin mine up somewhere. So I'm going to take those baker racks that I used to use. Let me show you. That I used to use to hold my threads. And I'm going to take some tie clips and put them together. And I'm going to make this a rack, and I'm going to put some clips on it. And then I'll be able to pin up my pattern instructions so that I'm not always looking down while I'm trying to do it on the table. What I'll do is pin it up on the wall. This wall over here, which is kind of, an empty wall. So, yeah, I'm going to pin them up over here on this wall, like 2 to the side, like that. And then I'm going to pin my instructions on there, okay? So that's what I'm going to do with that. So your girl been busy. She been doing stuff. And then also, I found some marker pencils. I don't know how well they're going to work, but they were at the dollar store too for $1.25. Water soluble marking pencils. So, because last time I used some markers on the bag, and I know it wasn't going to go away, but yeah, I can't use permanent markers on fabric. Okay, I need to use waters, stuff that's going to disappear. Okay, because we can't have that done. So, like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all long because I need to work on this. I need to work on this. And if I'm on the tube talking to y'all all the time, I ain't gonna get nothing done. I'm just kidding. I need to take some time to do this. Today, my kids came over, my grandkids came over. Winston had a what you want to call that, playtime with one of his relatives, one of his other cousins. So if you haven't seen him with playtime with his other cousin Bear, on TikTok, Jay's Journey O, I think it is Jay's Journey O on TikTok. Y'all got to go over there. I got like 58,000 followers. No, 5,800 followers. Let me get the line. 5,800 followers over there. And most of it's all about Winston. So if you want to see that, go over there, see that, and go over there and see Winston with his play dates or whatever have you. And then his play date today was Jackson. So Jackson is new to me. So he came over today and played with Winston, and I didn't record any of that, but he had a good old time, and now he laying out here on the floor on his back, y'all. Wait, let me share. See if he ain't gonna get up. No, y'all. Shh, be quiet. Be quiet, y'all. Let's see. Y'all see my hot mess room too. Let's see. Let me move my purse out the way. Y'all can't see him. There he is. There he is. Laying on the floor. Sleep. He tired, y'all. He got wore out. Okay, which is a good thing for me, because if he sleep, then I can sew and I can get to working on my creation, which is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited for this to be done, but I know it's going to take me a minute. So y'all hang in there with your girl. Keep coming back for more. Keep pushing out the videos. Keep liking the videos. Keep talking to me, because I like talking to you. Okay. With that said, I'm going to let you guys go on what I'm working on Wednesday, and I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that may be. So make sure you got your notification bells on so you know when the next video uploads. So I'm trying to get like the YouTube girls, but I don't know if I'm going to make it, because, I just got to be me. So, hey, it is what it is over here, y'all. It is what it is. So here we go. All right. So with that said, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.